I already took it apart. It's an Android TV box. The sticker wasn't here, it was on the back, but I removed it. It's an X96Q TV box E088, allegedly with 16 gigs of storage and 2 gigs of RAM. Wi Fi, Android 10, yeah, I'm sure. Quad core processor H313, ARM Cortex A53. Yeah, that's relatively old, but doesn't really matter. And the graphics processor is a G31. Well, okay. I'm just glad it has one because this was like 30 bucks, made in China. And here's the. Oh, it's Retoo. What? That's the brand? I never even noticed that. And here's the barcode. So yeah. Oh, and here's the logo. Okay. Inside we have a heatsink that connects to this processor with two gigantic thermal pads. So yeah, this was overheating all the time. So let's see what's inside here. That's a Wi-Fi chip probably or something. Let me flip it around. Focus, maybe. ESP 8089. Yeah. Here's this is probably a storage chip from Kingston. I don't know which one is the model number here. Maybe this one here. I don't know. And here's the processor. Let's see. M-Logic S905W. So it's nothing like what it says on the sticker. It didn't say a M-Logic. Hmm. Well, anyway, here are the numbers. These two. I don't think it matters because these chips are usually redrawn. They take off the original, yeah, the original numbers and brand and whatever, and paint whatever they want on it. So yeah, this may contain the RAM and the storage. We'll have to see the other side. But first, let me just show you the model here. It's from 2022, February 15th. Yeah, what else is there? The ports. Here's the secret button that you push through the analog video output. With this, you can reflash the main board. So this is kind of handy, but you also need some sort of a USB cable and some software on a computer to do it. But it's there. And yeah, that's kind of it. Let's see the other side. Yeah, let's look at the ports. Power, Ethernet, HDMI, AV. What? Audio, video. And what is this? What is this? Infrared. IR. IR baboon. Nope, it's infrared, I think. We'll have to look that up. But that's interesting if that's IR. Maybe it's headphone. I thought it was headphone. And here we have two USBs and a micro SD slot. Okay, so let's zoom back out a bit, and remove the 2 screws. There's a third screw hole there, but they didn't put a screw in because, yeah, let's save cost. Let's see. I don't even need a screwdriver here because these are tiny screws, so I just took a bit and yeah, take it out. So the storage or the RAM should be on the other side. Let's see. Nothing here, just some, yeah, shavings or, yeah, manufacturing funky business. Whatever, the inside doesn't matter, what you don't see. Oh, there's nothing. Okay, this is funny. There's nothing here. I shouldn't say nothing, but yeah, that's one resistor and a capacitor, and that's it. Oh boy. Oh, and some more here, a few of them. But yeah, there's nothing on the other side. So this chip must be the storage and the RAM. This is the processor and network, probably. This is network, not just Wi-Fi. But one more thing I forgot to see. Oh, I get it. Here's the Wi-Fi antenna. This, because there's no other thing here. Maybe it would work better if we had a bigger antenna. Yeah, I'll probably try it out. And yeah, this is why it was only achieving like 8 megabits, like 1 megabyte per second, barely watching YouTube videos and browsing and stuff. So yeah, I'll need to go further in to see if it actually has 2 gigs of RAM. That's my main concern. If it has 2 gigs, then I can use this for something. If it only has 1 gig, it will become a weather station or something on a LED monitor, very low power, just show the weather and the time. So yeah, I'll be back with another video.